this in. Here's the controller, here's the drone, here's the bag, here's the 3 batteries, here's the battery charger, here's the fan blade. Let's open. Okay, let's lift. Ooh. No, really heavy. Nothing in the box. That's a big bag. It goes open. Ooh. Okay, let's open. Whoa! Let's take out all the stuff in the bag. So much. And the drone else. Nothing else. Okay. Let's open the controller. Alright, here's the controller. There's the on button, and then screw it here. Okay, so these 2 things come out like this. Gonna screw it on here. Alright, let's take out. Wait, it's already out. Here's how it looks. Right, let's screw it on. Anyways, what's this? Look. Okay, here's the on button. So here's the charging cable. USB-C charging cable. And we're gonna okay. So it got out. We're going to take this out, put it here. Gonna put it on. Okay, so we're going to put it on. Alright. Now, if the drone flies around everywhere, then you can see where it's going in the phone, and you can control it like that. And there, and here's the camera on the drone. Let's take out the drone. Right, let's rip. Sticky. And okay. Uh-oh. Taking out. Let me take here. There's a camera inside, so if it's flying all around, then you can see where it's going. Now, got this. Take out this very carefully. Ooh. Okay, here's the okay. And get out. can fly around. Here is how it looks like. Okay, so here's the button. Let's press it. Nothing happens. Hello? No battery. You put the memory card in here, and put the charge in here. All right. Now, we're gonna take this. Open it! Wow, that was fast. Okay, let's take. Here's the charging. Okay. Uh-oh, one battery is gone. Where did it go? In the drone. Here's the battery. Okay, let's open it. We're gonna press it and take it out. Okay, now put it back in. And there's 3 batteries. Okay, now let's open this. Okay, open the charger. Here's the charger. Okay, here are the two USB-C cable. And here's a plastic. Okay, so we're gonna take a picture, make a video, and we're gonna fly the drone, and we're going to show you the details. Let's charge the battery, and that's it for today. Bye bye, like and subscribe, hit the bell, comment, bye. Now it's already night. I can see the moon. It's all the way there. And it's freezing, so we're gonna go home and eat, take a bath. Then we can eat and sleep all the way till morning. That's it for today. Bye-bye. Blah. We'll get my father tomorrow for that race. Right? He's gonna do a race in the house. Me too. Oh. It's raining and nice and free. Yeah! Ready to go home?